Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing App. The pros, the cons. Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing App is designed to help businesses engage leads through AI-driven conversations, but does it live up to the hype for enterprise teams? On the positive side, Drift offers real-time chat, automated lead qualification, and targeted messaging based on user behavior. Enterprises can use Drift to accelerate sales cycles, capture leads instantly, and personalize marketing at scale. Chatbots handle repetitive tasks, while integration with CRM systems ensures all customer interactions are tracked for better follow-up. Many large organizations report higher conversion rates and more efficient lead management thanks to Drift's conversational approach. However, there are challenges. Most people get this wrong. They think I can replace human sales entirely. The surprising truth is that Drift works best when combined with skilled sales and marketing teams who can engage high-value leads personally. Additionally, enterprise pricing can be expensive and complex workflows require time and expertise to set up correctly. Customization for international audiences or niche industries may also need extra effort. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise Conversational Marketing App is a valuable tool for enterprises aiming to improve lead engagement, streamline sales processes, and personalize marketing at scale. Its strengths include real-time communication, automation, and CRM integration. Enterprises maximize value by combining AI with human interaction, configuring workflows strategically, and monitoring performance continuously. Used effectively, Drift can shorten sales cycles, enhance customer engagement, and deliver measurable growth.